Okay, I blew it off and hand sanded in here around the little bevels and everything. So now let's spray a coat of matte clear. Okay, I've got it sanded down and everything now, and I wiped it off real good. I got me some Mod Podge, got me a brush, and I got some pictures here we're going to put on them. So watch it. Okay, here's the film strip sign I made, hanging up now. The pictures on here is the town I'm living in, Marshtown, Tennessee. This is some old pictures I found on the internet, and I thought they would be appropriate for this. Remember, this is the off-white pine. I painted it, then sanded it down, then printed out some pictures and Mod Podge it to it and everything. I mean, this is a unique sign. I ain't seen nothing like this. Hope this gives somebody else another idea. Thanks for watching, guys.